Hey guys, so today I'm doing another recap. There's no live trading today because I kind of messed up something, so it's kind of disappointing because today I did make money on it on AMD. But I'll just explain to you guys what I did, and then I'll show you guys my metrics afterwards. So I took about 7 trades on this, and I was let me see. I was up around 60, gave some off the table, and then stopped trading after that. Um, so let's look at these trades. So at first, of course, I go into the red. I take some longs here as it was moving up. Um, then I think I stopped out quickly. I think I was taking longs here because I thought it was gonna bounce over here, so I took longs, and then came back down. I added, and then it came down. I lost. I lost as it came back down. I don't know why I was trading this. There's no triangle pattern, but um, and then I waited and I waited. I got another position. Again, I don't know why I was trading. I think I went long into this area. Um, and then I accidentally bought um, I think I bought like 150 shares during this position, which was kind of by accident because I thought it was 25, but it bought me at 75, and I thought it was 25. So I got in, and then it kind of like messed me up, and then I stopped out for a $20 loss, and then I traded it again in this area. This time I went short, stopped out again, um, and then I finally traded a triangle. Especially on the 1 minute, it was a pullback. Even on the 5 minute, it was a 2 minute pullback. Bear flag. So I went short, 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 and then I added full position as we broke down here. Came down, took some profits into this move, and then we did it again here. I sold into this, kind of bounced around, but I think I made money on that was one as well. And then this is where I did it good again. It was hitting this top, so I kept shorting, 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 and then we broke, took shorts, and then took profit along this move. I didn't get as much down here, but I let it ride out, and then it came back up and stopped me out. But took shorts into this area, and then same thing over here. Took some shorts, and I kind of went full position, I guess, into this move down. Came back up, stopped me out. I didn't wait till right here because I was kind of nervous about that. So I said, you know what? I'll just get out now as it's breaking 96, and let the rest do its thing if it wants a breakthrough, because it kind of looked like it was gonna make a move up. So I just stopped out, small loss, and then that was my last trade on that. I did pretty good this day. Um, I made $54 on this. My largest winner was $75. My largest loser was $20, which was the $150 share position. Or yeah, it was that one. And I'm 50-50 on my trades. Yeah, so I was holding my losers for a short amount of time, and then my winners are very long time. Um, I feel good about these setups. Uh, yeah, so I feel pretty good about that. Um, let's look at this week now. So I started the week off good, but then I ended up making a big error here. Um, so I finished. So I guess this was about a break-even week. So let's look at this. Okay, I'm up 70 this week, which is okay. My profit loss is trash, or not my profit. My profit loss is good. It's about 2 to 1. But this one, my average, my percentage accuracy is trash. This is good. This is good as well. Mm, Everything seems good except for this major loser that I had, and my over trading habits are kicking in. But I feel like if I just get these triangle setups on the 1 minute, I can do fairly well. If I can get these triangle setups, I can do well. I was looking at this move. Actually, no, I wasn't. I wasn't even at my computer. But I mean, fade off view app, and then this is it's a $3 move, which is crazy. So if I just wait for these triangle patterns, I feel like I can do well. Especially on the 1 minute. And then micro analyze it and do well. But so like right now, I think we have no, we don't. It's kind of a shitty chart right there, but it's going lower. But yeah, I think triangles are my go-to now. I'm doing fairly well on them. Now let's look at this month. This is beautiful, to be honest with you guys. 2 days in the red only, trading like this. That's beautiful to me. I feel very confident looking at this right now. I've recouped this loss in these 3 days, which is awesome. My losers are so much smaller than my winners, which is amazing. I'm 50-50 accuracy right now, which is kind of making me mad. But I mean, wait, let's see this.
Letter F, German court.
Still, okay, so that doesn't really do anything. But
That from Bloomberg.
yeah, I feel pretty confident in myself. I want to catch more of moves like this. I caught one yesterday, I think it was. No, it wasn't yesterday. It was 2 days ago then. Yeah, this one. This was a sick move that I caught. But yeah, so this is my month right now, only up 218, which is not even. It's okay. It's not that bad, but yeah, feeling confident. I'm looking to increase my share size again next week. As we come into this next week, I feel this is how I'm gonna start increasing my share size. With that, how I get in my trades. So like, let's look at this. How I get in is I scale in 25, 25, 25, 25. Every time I'm pressing the buy button, 25, 25, 25. Like if we look at this trade on AMD, let me go back. Let's look at this. Let's see if one I can remember. Very. So, as we're breaking out this triangle, this was not even that clean. Let's look at this one. This one was fairly good. So, what time was this? Let me break it down. 10:19. Here we go. So, so you can see here, I get in 10:18 and 95.23. Can't even see the price. Yeah. Okay. So 95.23, I get in. I'm getting in. Oh my gosh. I would do split screen, but no, I'm not good. I'm good on that. 95.23. Then it came back down. I kept adding. Hit the punch button. I punched it in. 50 shares in. My stop would be this high of 30. So around 15. So I'm risking 15 cents. And then as we break down this triangle right here, you know what I'm gonna have to do. As we break down this triangle right here, so I'm thinking if we break this, we're going back down to support. So I added, as we broke down here, I added 94.97 just to make sure that we were breaking down, and my stop was still 95.30, so I was about 30 cents stop with full share size, $100. That's 30. Nah, that's $30. Yeah. So it went down. I covered most of my position, half of it, as we broke down at 94.90. Took most of it off, and then I waited another 30 cents, came down to 60s, which is double bottom. Took most of it off, took 30 more off, and then I left 20 position to ride. Came back up to 95. I said, screw it. If it goes above 95, I'm just gonna get rid of it. Let it do its thing. I ended up getting rid of it, and then I'll show you guys a loser one too because not all these trades are good. So I added at 10:30, 10:31:09. So around here, as it came down, I added at 95, 95, 92. As we were breaking this, I thought we were gonna move lower. 95.80, 95, 94. I kept adding, and then as we broke this, I said, you know what, full short, 50 shares down, came down, went back above, and then I said, you know what, it doesn't look good. So I cut the rest off. I don't want to go red on this. I don't want to go red on the day either. And that's what happened. I got out. But sometimes like right here. So let's go back. Let's go back over here. 944. Right here. Okay. So I got short. Got short into this move right here, thinking that we were gonna flush. Got short, came down, stopped, came back up, and my stop was supposed to be actually wait a minute. Wouldn't my stop be up here? Why did I get out so premature? I don't know why I did that, but most of the time, let's go to my losers actually. One of them, this one was unnecessary loser, but this one wasn't. So yeah, this is about 30 cents, 9.35. This one was not even at a pivot point, so obviously it was a loser. But I went long, thinking we were gonna get a move. So I started my position in 97.60. So right around here, we were making an ABCD pattern. I said, you know what, I'm gonna go long. I went long. Came up to 90, 97.90. Dropped down. I went all the way up to 98, I think. Yeah, it did. And then it flushed on me. And then I stopped out right here. I mean, it was kind of stupid of me stopping out. I was already up. Yeah, that was kind of a stupid trade. I don't know why I waited so long to get rid of it, but I don't know. These are bad examples. But I usually get in, get out if my position doesn't, my starter doesn't work right away, and if it does work, I usually like scale back in, scale more in, and This was a loser too, so let me see this. This one was obviously the one I added and kept adding. So we were holding my stop was 97.15. We were up here. I added my first position. We broke out. I added another position. Added another position, and then as we broke 50, that's 39 right here. I thought we were gonna make a move, which we did, but I did not. I did sell. So 95 got in. My stop was at 90, 97.20. I made this like double bottom kind of. Got in again, and then moved up. Got out because 20 cents stop around my average was like a 20-cent stop. Moves up 20 cents, take off half. Which this case I didn't take off half. I took off some, and then flushed down and I got out. But the thing is, there was really no good example of how my starters just go against me right away. Usually those I start and then the move goes against me, so I just cut it. And this relates to share size because I punch in with 25 shares, getting in, getting out. Next week, I think I'm going to start punching in with 50 shares instead of 25. So I'm going to be punching in. My starter would be $100. My full size is 100 shares right now this week, and I did well. Well, at first I didn't do well, but now I did well. I recouped my losses. I punch in 100 shares, so I'm risking about $40 per trade. Now I'm risking 20. So now I'll be risking around $40 per share or per trade, because right now I risk about $20 per trade with my 50 shares, my starter. So I would punch in 50, 50, 50, 50 as it goes down. Confirm. I'll add my 100. Usually this is what I do. I punch in with 25, 25, get into 50. That's my starter kind of, and then it flushes and it confirms that level. Then I would add my 50 to go to full size. Flushes down, take half off. My averages moves down, and then I usually let it ride. Around 20 shares, I'll let it ride. But next week, I plan to punch in 50-50, and then 100 shares my starter. Flushes down, confirms that level, get in 100 more. Then I'll be in 200. Flushes down, same amount of a risk level, 1-to-1, cover 100, let my average come back down, flushes, take 50 off, let the 50 ride, take maybe 30 off, 20, leave it to do whatever it wants. I feel like that would be way better than what I'm risking now for next week, because this week I did fairly well. I feel like this week I did fairly well. This week I did fairly well. I mean, this looks pretty good. I trade one red day out of the week, fairly good. I'll be risking more obviously per trade. So now that I'm risking per trade about $40, my max loss will still be at 150. But now my winners will be increasing. I need to get my accuracy up, so I'll be only trading around triangles instead of getting in aggressively in the open, like around these areas. These are unnecessary. This was a good win. Another good win. Well, this was a loss. This was a winner. This one was kind of unnecessary. More towards no. This would be completely avoided. This is a good trade. Then again, here this is kind of a stupid trade. This one would have been a better one. And then yeah. So that's what I feel like I should do. Trade around triangles. Next week increase my share size to 200.
RTBX Redbox
Yeah,
will
that's what I'm
remain at the
feeling.
top tier. It's now
Feeling
up
pretty
about
confident
43%
about that.
of the
Feeling
market,
confident going into next week. I'm gonna
$5.49.
take a rest this week. I've been going at it a lot
Romeo Delta
recently.
dropping
Actually, no, I will be picking up my studies on Saturday and Sunday for trading. I'll pick those back up because recently I just finished watching a course right now. Um, finished watching that, um, and and then now I'll be reading books on trading along with The Richest Man in Babylon. That's something I picked up as well. Uh, so I'm gonna read, study over the weekend because these past 2 days to even today I'm gonna be going out with friends. So I'm not gonna be really studying. Gotta relax a little bit after this month, or these 2 3 weeks I've been at it. Go have some fun, have some balance, I guess. And then Saturday, Sunday, just straight work. I'm gonna ignore everybody. Yeah, that's what my game plan is next week. Heavier shares high, so I need to adjust my setup for that. Adjust my max loss, my averages per day, all that stuff.
Macy's
So
ticker M, the
feel
$19
pretty
call
good.
coming in on the ask.
Good day,
Expiring
good
June 17th. Approximately
good trading for this month so far.
$260,000.
So I'm
That's
looking
ticker
to
M.
kind of excited for next
$19
week
call
because
coming in on the
picking up
ask.
shares side.
Expiring June
But
17th.
yeah, so 23 buck. I mean May 23. We're gonna go in and take it by the horns, you know. But yeah, I guess that's all I have. There's nothing else I need to show you guys. I was up 66,
World Health
almost $70
Organization confirms in email to
um,
Reuters it has convened the meeting
during
of
the
monthly
trade,
stocks.
but then gave back obviously because I let some
It
go.
says
But
is one of many.
that's about it. Nothing else I really have to show you guys. Confident. I'm doing fairly well, and yeah. So see you guys later.